In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a person in Basecamp. Let's start with the basics. Basecamp is a fantastic tool for managing projects and keeping teams organized. Sometimes you'll find the need to add new members to your Basecamp projects, whether they're colleagues, clients, or perhaps vendors. If this sounds like the task you're faced with today, you're in the right place. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Basecamp sign in page. This is your gateway to entering your projects and managing your teams. Once you're there, simply click on the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Fill these in as you normally would, and then proceed to log in. This action should lead you directly into your Basecamp dashboard, a familiar place where all your projects reside. Once you're comfortably inside Basecamp, look around for the option to Invite People. This button is your next step on this journey of adding a new member to your team. Click on it to proceed. The design and user interface of Basecamp are quite intuitive, so locating the Invite People option should be straightforward from your dashboard or within any specific project. After clicking to invite someone, you'll be faced with a few options presented via radio buttons. For this tutorial, we're going with the second radio button option. It's essential to select the right category for the person you're adding to ensure they get the appropriate level of access. Now the real action begins. After selecting the second radio button, click on Next. You will then enter the stage where you'll need to input the new member's details. Start with their name, ensure it's correctly spelled. Basecamp is pretty personal, and getting someone's name right is the first step in welcoming them aboard. Following the name, you'll input their email address. This step is crucial because Basecamp uses email addresses as unique identifiers for each user. Double check to make sure you've got it right to avoid any hiccups in them receiving their invitation. With the name and email address fields filled out accurately, it's time to send off the invitation. Hit the Send button with confidence. You've almost completed the task at hand. Finally, after sending the invitation, you might be prompted to take additional steps or add more information. However, for the purpose of this guide, you can opt to click on Not Now, I'll do this later. This option gives you the flexibility to pause the onboarding process here and come back to it at another time if necessary. And there you have it. Adding a person to Basecamp is as simple as that. You've taken all the necessary steps from logging in, navigating to the invite section, selecting the right type of invitation, inputting the new member's information, and sending off that invitation. Remember, Basecamp is a powerful tool for collaboration, and by adding new team members efficiently, you're setting your projects up for greater success. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I look forward to guiding you through more Basecamp tips and tricks in future videos.